Assalamu alaikum class 10th. How are you? I hope you are all well. Let's come to your homework of second week. Your first subject is computer. You have to do all the questions on your neat notebook. Unit number 5, topics and page numbers are mentioned over here. Question number 3, 4, 5. Their answers are here. You have to do all the questions on your neat notebook. You have to learn long question answers of unit number 1. Questions are mentioned. Question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then some diagrams are mentioned over here. You have to draw flowchart number 8 and 9 on your neat notebook. And you have to draw diagram number 2 and 3 which are on page 37 on your neat notebook. Then you have to draw a table of special characters on your neat notebook and you have to learn it. Write structures of C program which is on page number 40. Then you have to learn MCQs of unit number 2 and short question answers of unit 2 from question number 1 to 5. And then you have to learn long question number 5 and 6 relating to unit number 2. Your next subject is Pakistan Studies. Unit number 1, History of Pakistan, Part 2, Oral work. Part number 1, learn and prepare all the short questions answers. Then part 2, also learn and prepare all the MCQs and book exercise of this unit. Then part 3, long questions, you have to learn them. Learn all the objective and subjective work of this unit and you have to learn MCQs from model paper and prepare it thoroughly. Written activities also mentioned over here. Make 10 short questions, question answers from each included topic and write it over your notebook and you have to learn them as well. And your next subject is English. Unit number 10, Word Without Books. Vocabulary A, its part are solved over here. Part A, B, C, D, E. These are solved over here. You have to do them on your neat notebook. Then come to unit number 3, try again. Stanza, their reference and paraphrasing is done over here. 3 stanzas and their paraphrasing is done. You have to do them on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. Then next unit is The Rain. It's also a poem. Its stanza and paraphrasing is done over here. You have to write it down on your neat notebook and you have to learn them. Then come to English B. Write down all the parts of speech with their suitable definitions and with at least 3 examples. Then question number 2, write an essay about 332 to 500 words on the topic overpopulation. Then question number 3, write a letter to the editor of newspaper regarding poor sanitation. You have to do all this work on your neat notebook. Your next subject is Urdu. اردو میں آ جاتے ہیں غزل نمبر 2. غزل کے اگلے 3 اشعار کی تشریح کاپی پر لکھنی ہے اور یاد کرنی ہے. غزل کے مختصر سوالات کے جوابات کاپی پر تحریر کرنے ہیں اور یاد بھی کرنے ہیں. پھر سبق ہے نظریہ پاکستان اور دوسرا سبق ہے مجھے میرے دوستوں سے بچاؤ. اس کے تمام مشقی سوالات یاد کرنے ہیں. اور اردو بی میں تخلیقی لکھائی ہے. تعلیم نسواں کے موضوع پر مضمون تحریر کریں اور یاد کریں. اور کہانی ہے انگور کھٹے ہیں, اس کے عنوان پر کہانی تحریر کرنی ہے. یہ تمام کام آپ کا خوش خط اور صفائی سے ہو. جی اب اگلا سبجیکٹ ہے آپ کا اسلامیات. ہفتہ 2 سورۃ الاحزاب الدرس الرابع حصہ بے آیات 9 تا 20 یہ یاد کرنی ہے. اس کے بعد مشقی سوالات ہیں جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 124-25 پر ہیں. اس کے سوالات نمبر 1, 2, 3 آپ نے کاپی پر بھی لکھنے ہیں اور زبانی یاد کرنے ہیں. حدیث نمبر 13 صفحہ نمبر 174 بما ترجمہ و تشریح کاپی پر بھی تحریر کرنا ہے اور یاد بھی کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد آ جاتے ہیں موضوعاتی مطالعہ اور عنوان ہے سبق کا طہارت اور جسمانی صفائی صفحہ نمبر 183. اس کی خالی جگہ پر کرنی ہے. یہ والا سوال آپ نے کاپی پر کرنا ہے اور یاد کرنا ہے، اور یاد رکھیں سارا کام خوش خط ہونا چاہیے. سو یور نیکسٹ سبجیکٹ از میتھس. Week 2, exercise number 6.1. Question 5. Solution is given over here, and all the instructions are mentioned over here. You have to follow them. These are all about histograms. You have to construct the class boundary table and midpoints table by using the method which is mentioned over here. This is also a graph. You have to do it on your neat notebook, and the formulas used in the next exercise is mentioned over here. Then all the questions relating to this exercise are solved over here. You have to do all these work on your neat notebook. Your next subject is physics. Unit number 18, atomic and nuclear physics. You have done this chapter in your class. You have to do review questions which are starting from first 9 questions you have done in first week. So you have to start with question number 10. You have to do question 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 on your neat notebook. Their answers are also mentioned over here. You have to write them on your neat notebook, and you have to learn them as well. And you have to do all these questions on your neat notebook, and you have to learn this question. You have to do revision of unit number 10 as well, which is about simple harmonic motion and waves. And practicals are mentioned over here. Your practical will be started from section B, practical number 1, 2 and 3. These 3 practicals are mentioned over here. You have to do all these practicals on your practical neat notebook. Next subject is chemistry. Your last chapter 16, chemical industries. First 5 questions you have done in first week. So review question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. You have to do on your neat notebook, and you have to learn them as well. Practicals are mentioned. Practical topics are mentioned over here. You have to write all these 4 practicals on your practical notebooks. So your last subject is biology. Class 10, chapter number 12. The topic is coordination and control. You have to revise this chapter, all the topics which are included in the syllabus and the exercise questions. And then you have to do practice of diagrams. Draw a diagram of human brain, spinal cord and spinal neuron. Then you have to draw a flow sheet diagram of the divisions of nervous system, reflex arc. Then you have to draw all these diagrams on your neat notebook, and you have to do practice of these diagrams as well. Then chapter 13, support and movement. You have to revise all this chapter and all the topics which are included in your syllabus, and you have to do the practice of all the diagrams which are relating to all these topics. Then come to practicals. The topics of practicals are mentioned over here. You have to write these practicals on your practical notebooks. So class 10, that was all about your homework of second week. I hope you have understand it quite well. You have to do your work very carefully, and you have to learn them as well. And take care. Allah Hafiz.